Over the next few minutes, I'll show you how to use Caristix Conformance software to create a machine-readable HL7 interface specification from a message log. This is useful when you're not able to access documentation describing the messages from the source systems that your system needs to work with, or if the documentation from the other systems is out of date. So here's what you see when you open Caristix Conformance. This is the profile library section where profiles or specifications are accessed. And here's the menu bar. We'll go to Tools and select Reverse Engineering. So let's load a log. We'll select a reference specification and click Next, and the log is loading. And the wizard is loading the messages, and you'll see that down here with the progress bar. In this case, let's just say we need to look at just the ADT messages, so we can filter out the messages we don't need. We'll click Next. So the reverse engineering wizard is now reading the log and constructing the schema or the profile that the log is based on. And this means we're looking through each segment and field and component, as well as every single data type and user table value. And the software is now building out a spec out of all of that. This is a lot faster than actually just reading the log in Notepad on your screen and looking for gaps and then writing them down. Now, of course, this being HL7, you're going to find that there's some custom elements and configurations in this log. In this case, we've got some non-standard data coming through right here. And Caristix Conformance is going to flag that for you. Here we've got data based on what appears to be a non-HL7 compliant data type in a Z segment. So the wizard is going to give us an opportunity to deal with the data. We have a few choices. We can ignore the data associated with this data type and just say, let's get on with building this profile because this data isn't relevant. Another choice is to assign a data type to this data. And a third choice is to create a new data type right here to handle this data. Let's go ahead and just pick the first option and hit Ignore. And we'll just get on with the reverse engineering of this profile. So now the reverse engineering wizard is done. We're going to give the profile a name. We'll add it to a folder. And we'll hit Save. And now we see it in the profile library. This is based on the log that we just read. And that's our demo and tutorial on reverse engineering an HL7 message log with Caristix Conformance software. Thanks for watching.